Jay's Custom Creations is sponsored by Bits and Bits. Use the code JBates to save 10% off your next router bit or CNC bit purchase at bitsbits.com. So the easel turned out great. My daughter's already using it this morning. Now I wanted something that was kind of flexible with anything we wanted to throw up there. So this is not attached, obviously. And you could put like a canvas up there for if she wants to paint. Something very, very basic and not dedicated to anything. She's already used it this morning and seems to be working out all right. So this particular piece of plywood, real quick on this, I chose this because well, first off, I didn't have any other material that was a suitable size. But this is an old bench hook that I made many years ago and don't use it as often as I thought I would. Just a really wide bench hook. So I cut off the top hook, and on this side I left it on there just for extra length. My thinking here is that I could put a piece of paper horizontally up here, landscape, and then another one down here. So maybe instructions up here, and then whatever she's doing down here. And then this lip, which was once the bench hook, is where the paper can stay, and it's not going to interfere with pencils or crayons or anything that may go down here. That was the plan anyway. I did not want a groove down here for pencils and crayons and chalk because I don't want any dust crap accumulating right here as much as I can. I'd rather it just fall to the floor, and then our little robo vacuum thing that runs once a day will clean it up. So I'd rather have that. She likes it, but while we're here, might as well cover everything else. This is a table and set of chairs that I made. I've got an article, set of plans, and a video on this. This is a half-lap 3-tier shelf, which is just some real strong half-lap joinery. If you're interested in a fun little, somewhat interestingly challenging project. Angled half-lap 3-tier shelf. I got a video and article on it. I don't think I have plans on it. This, don't mind the mess, is my daughter's, well, this whole area is my daughter's little education center. But this is a ambrosia maple and mahogany table with hidden storage down below. So you can check out the article and video on it. And this coffee table is a huge pecan slab. You can check out the article and video on it. It has a drawer down here that slides open in the front and the back, and it's suspended on sliding dovetail rails. So pretty cool, fun little project. I made that. Article and video on it. Beautiful clock. And article and video on this dry erase board. Article and video on this old step stool. One of my very first Trash to Treasure projects. That's probably the oldest project that I still have. This is a bunk bed with a set of plans, article and video. You can check it out. A chest of drawers, article, plans, video. Blanket chest, article, plans, video. The lid to the blanket chest is underneath there because this is a 4-year-old's room, and you know, that happens. A picture frame for bows. This is just chicken wire on the back side, and the frame itself is textured. Did all that on the CNC machine. Textured miters. Basic but fun. And while we're at it, might as well step in here. Dining table. I have a set of plans and video and article on it. This is a through mortise and tenon sprung breadboard end. It's a mouthful, but it makes sense. I have a video, article, set of plans on this bookcase. Video and article on this entry table, side table cabinet. Video and article on that sofa table. And you know what, while we're here, we can poke out here and say video and article and free set of plans on that picnic table. The chairs, video, article, set of plans, and templates available for it. Behind there is a bench, video, article, free set of plans for it. A farm table I'm working on, video and article set of plans coming on it, video, article, set of plans on this kitchen island. So there you go. You may have only cared about this easel, but we're here. Why not show you some other stuff? You guys take care, have a great day. I'll talk to you in the next video.